Hi guys. In this video, we'll walk you through how to add featured products to your Shopify blog posts using a Shopify app named Hura Product Showcase Builder, step by step. From the Shopify App Store and search for Hura Product Showcase Builder. Click the Install button. Click the Install button. You have successfully installed the application in your store. To create a new product showcase from the app dashboard, click on the Create a Product Showcase button. From the dialog, choose the type of showcase you want to create. For the free version, you can only choose the first option. On the Create Product Showcase widget page, select a collection from the list and customize the required parameters. Click the Preview button to review your configuration. Click the Get Code button to retrieve the embed code for your product showcase. Copy the embed code provided by the app. Go back to the Blog Posts Manager in your Shopify admin. Open the post where you would like to add the product showcase. After you open the Edit Post page, you'll see the visual editor. You click on the Show HTML button. Find the place you want to insert the product showcase and paste the copied embed code. Click Save button, and you are done. Go to your post. The product showcase should now appear. By leveraging Hura Product Showcase Builder, you can transform your blog posts into powerful sales tools. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with other Shopify store owners or leave a comment below. See you again in the next videos.